What's up guys, Express here and I'm back with another video. Now in this video I paid 4 designers to design the same header. I think this is a great and fun idea to do, so I thought let's do it. This actually idea came from someone in my Discord server, and if you want to join the Discord server, actually link is in the description. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the designs. I said, hey, I would be interested in a Twitter header and what I would like. Don't Toy With Me so header. It's a famous anime, but I bought the manga a long time ago because I know. And with the color purple and with the name Express, of course. And that was it. You know, they have to choose that color and use Express and use that anime, but they still can use their own style and own design, what they like. All 4 designers, I contact them on Twitter via private message. I saw that they were doing, of course, commissions on their Twitter as well. Let's start with the one that was the least amount of money, and that was around $5, and that was from Thomas. So he said it would take him 1 to 3 days to finish. I think that's a reasonable time. I do the same thing. It's 1 to 3 days. Of course, to pay, I used PayPal, and then I waited 3 days. When the 3 days were over, he said there was going to be a delay. So I said, no problem, man. That's okay. That's fine. You take your time. You're the designer. So here is the design. It's quite a simple design in my eyes. Kind of like it as well. There are some parts that I would do different as well, but you know, every designer has their own taste and their own style to it. I don't like the font as much. The color purple, he really did that, so that's the #1 check. He used Express and of course he used anime, so all 3 marks are checked, so that's fine. $5, I think it's an absolute great price. There could be some more effects, great. And if you want, of course, contact him, Thomas' Twitter will be in the link in the description. So anyways, that was the first designer. I think it came out really nice. Eyes of Burger. So his commissions were also open, and I thought his work was really nice. He did some amazing 3D stuff as well, and I thought I commissioned a header. So I sent him a quick tweet, immediately responded to that with, alright, you're my last client, because he was really busy at the time. I said, really, thanks, that means a lot. And then of course I said I would like Don't Toy With Me anime with color purple and my name, of course, Express. He said, okay, it will take a week or 2. So he taken a lot more time than the other guy, but I think that's normal. If you have 11 other commissions, it will of course take some time. I said, no problem, I understand, send me your PayPal, and of course I would want some epic 3D text that you do on your banners. And he said, of course, no problem. He sent me the process of the header. He sent, what are your thoughts on this, and here it is. So the final result, of course, has purple, has the name Express, and has the anime into it, and those are all the 3 things that I wanted. So but I love the text, I love the 3D text and the font as well. I think it's a great job. Love the anime renders in general as well. The Japanese text, big fan. Yeah, I think it's a great job for $10. I think this is a great designer as in my opinion as well. It's a bit simple in the back, but I mean, I like it a lot. So great job. He delivered really quick. He said it was going to take 2 weeks, but he delivered quicker than expected. So that's also a plus point in my opinion. If you want to check him out as well, link will be in the description of the designer. Third one was Scales. Scales commissions were open when I sent this message. I think it was $15, so I sent him over some $15. I sent him again what I want, the anime, the color purple, and the name of Express. I also asked him when the banner will be ready. He said a couple of days. I think it's very vague. If you want to tell your client like when this will be ready, a couple of days is very vague in my opinion. I think you have to specify what amount of days or amount of weeks that you will be working on. Then I think a week passes. I can send him a quick message from asking, because he sent a couple of days. I don't know how long that is in his eyes. I send him, hey guy, just wondering, it's been a week, when will my header be ready? And he said, you'll get it tomorrow. And that was a week ago. So I don't know where he is. I sent him another message, hey, wondering where my header will be done, and he still hasn't messaged me. Of course, personal reasons can come up, but if you promise someone that the header will be done by tomorrow on the date you send it, and it's not delivered, then I mean, that's not really something you want to promoting, I guess. It's been now almost 2 weeks since he said you'll get it tomorrow. So I mean, his link will not be in the description, because I don't know, that's not really how you do business in my opinion. That was the third guy, $15, not worth it in my opinion. should have gone for someone else, maybe someone else again in the Discord community, because there are some great people in the community. Okay, for the next one and last one, I think we have someone with a respectable name. That's what I thought, in my opinion. I mean, it's Astro, and he has, of course, he is in Tsuki and Hana collection, and I think he has some great banners and headers. So I of course messaged him. I think he's one of the first guys I followed in the anime community. So of course I messaged him. His headers are $25, so he's the most expensive one of all of them. And I send him, of course, what I want. I message him as well with how would I pay, and he's just said PayPal G. I think that's a really weird message to respond to a client with, just a PayPal G. Then I said okay, no problem, and then I asked him, well, when will it be finished? And then he's responded with today or tomorrow, bro. Again, it's a bit strange in my opinion that you call your client the bro, but I mean, it's, I don't know. That was our final message, and then he tweeted out that he was moving, so that was another delay. I mean, there's a lot of delays in this community, it seems like it. But I said no problem, just move, take your time, because designers need to take the time on great work. And then on June 19th, he sent his final version of his header, and I think it's really amazing. Here it is. I think his custom text style is really something I like. I love also the X's in the back. I think it is from Express. Love the renders as well. Love the back one with the gradient as well. I think in my opinion this is the best one. Very clean in my opinion. Love the gradients, love the effects on the text and everything. So I think that's a great job. But that was it. That was the 4 designers that I messaged for a header. I think they did a great job, except the one that didn't respond back. But I'll put them all next to each other on the side by side. So we have $5, $10, 15 is blank, and then 25. As I spend quite some money on this video, but that's all thanks to you guys for the commission, and of course YouTube, that I could provide something, a video like this. If you are interested in another video like this, but maybe with a logo or something else, or an intro, let me know down in the comments. And also, of course, we hit 5K. Thank guys for that. So I'm going to do a contest for 5K. I thought about it because now I have work, and I can't spend 24/7 on my PC anymore. I'm going to do a contest. So the contest is going to be very simple. There are going to be 3 winners. You have to design something with my name. The winner will get $25. The second winner will have 15, and the last one will get 10. And of course, you have to have PayPal, so I can send you that money as well. You have 2 weeks to design something. By then 2 weeks it will be closed. You have to use the hashtag Express5K on Twitter to so I can check out your work. And you also have to retweet the tweet that I will put in the description, so more people can of course join the contest and win some goddamn money. Also, the header or the logo or the YouTube banner that you make or intro that you make, whatever, I'll use that for a month as well to promote you, of course. I hope you enjoyed that. So check out the tweet in the link in the description for the 5K special. Share it with all your friends so they can join as well. And of course, I see you guys in the next one. Peace.